In the quest for a powerful yet lightweight vacuum that effortlessly tackles dirt on various surfaces, the Amazon Basics upright bagless vacuum emerges as a game changer. Boasting 12 kPa and 70 watts suction power, this vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, it's a cleaning powerhouse designed to simplify your cleaning routine. Here's why it deserves a spot in your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful performance, lightweight design. At the heart of this upright vacuum is a robust 12 kPa suction power coupled with 70 watts, making it an ideal companion for vacuuming carpets, area rugs, hardwood floors, and more. Despite its powerful performance, it weighs a mere 84 pounds, ensuring a lightweight and effortless cleaning experience. Space-saving convenience. The Amazon Basics upright vacuum combines power with practicality. Its space-saving design allows for easy storage, ensuring that it doesn't take up valuable space in your home. A vacuum that's powerful when needed and discreet when not in use. Onboard attachments for versatile cleaning. Equipped with onboard attachments, including a Crevice tool and Upholstery tool, this vacuum adapts to various cleaning tasks. Tackling hard-to-reach corners or giving your upholstery a fresh look becomes a breeze, providing you with a versatile cleaning solution. Uninterrupted cleaning with large dust cup. Say goodbye to frequent interruptions during your cleaning sessions. The large dust cup ensures that you can keep vacuuming without frequent stops. When it's time to empty, the quick-release dust cup button makes the process swift and hassle-free. Easy maintenance with washable filter. Enjoy cost-effective and eco-friendly maintenance with the washable filter. No need for constant replacements, simply wash and reuse. This thoughtful feature enhances the longevity of your vacuum, making it a sustainable choice for your cleaning needs. Elevate your cleaning experience. Amazon Basics has crafted more than just a vacuum. They've designed a cleaning companion that elevates your entire cleaning experience. Effortless, powerful, and intelligently designed, this upright bagless vacuum ensures that cleaning becomes a joy rather than a chore. Invest in quality, invest in Amazon Basics. Choosing the Amazon Basics upright bagless vacuum is not just a purchase, it's an investment in quality cleaning. Amazon Basics, known for its commitment to excellence, delivers a vacuum that combines performance, convenience, and durability. In conclusion, if you're seeking a vacuum that marries power with practicality, the Amazon Basics upright bagless vacuum is your answer. Make your cleaning routine efficient, enjoyable, and effective with this lightweight powerhouse. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.